Hey guys, welcome back to Cook Like a Man, where we employ simple cooking techniques to make really great meals. And in today's episode, we're making a lemon tart. It is really simple. Trust me, you're gonna love it. And before you get into that, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and tell me what you think of the lemon tart down below in the comment section. So we are going to start off by juicing 3 lemons, and how we're going to do that is we're going to roll the lemon on a flat surface so that we can release the juices in the lemon, and just make sure that you use a sieve to juice the lemons so that you do not get the seeds of the lemons in your lemon juice. So to make our lemon tart base into a food processor, we're going to put 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to process for a couple of seconds. Now after that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of room temperature butter. We're going to process that for about 12 to 15 seconds. Then we're going to add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to process that until it forms a dough, and we're going to remove the dough from the food processor into a plastic wrap. We're going to let the dough rest for about 30 minutes in the fridge. While our dough chills in the fridge, we're going to make our lemon curd. We're going to place a bowl over a pot with boiling water. Add 4 egg yolks, 4 eggs, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a zest of 2 lemons, and we're going to whisk. From there, you're going to add about 150 grams of butter, and you're going to whisk until everything has combined. Then you're going to set aside. We're going to remove our chilled dough from the fridge, and we're going to lay it into our pan. We're going to pierce the bottom of the pan with a fork so that when it cooks, air is able to escape from the bottom. Bake the dough for about 10 minutes in a preheated 180 degrees oven. Once the dough is baked, we're going to remove it from the oven and pour our lemon curd. Now we're going to put it back into the oven and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So yeah guys, now that you've seen how easy it is to make lemon tart, I hope you guys will try it at home. It's really simple, it's delicious, and you'll love it.